So like the study books that I'm using, they have like a little section on like this is the wrong answer. Like this is how students pick these wrong answers. And I find that I like not like at the end after the questions, it's before you even get to the questions. It tells you these are some like mistakes that students make. But I find I skip over that because if I read it, then I tend to make those mistakes thinking like get it confused in my head. Would you recommend to read those? So what do you think about that?
If it's not helping you, then don't do it.
Okay.
I mean, I think that books are good for giving you a foundation, like an overview of the theory of the exam. But once you've got that down, then you've got to focus on just doing the questions and your own review process. And after you review on your own a bit, if it's still not totally clicking, then you could look at explanations. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.